Okay, if you are having this question to solve for the derivative of x, given that f of x, given that y is equal to 6 plus 2x squared to the power 5. Which method are we going to use to solve this? This is a bit a complicated function. We are going to use the chain rule principle that say that dy over dx is equal to what? Du all over dx times dy all over du. Then the question you are asking is where is du on dx and where is dy on du? Stay tuned, then take a look at this question. Okay, if you have a simple derivative as y is equal to what? Then take x squared. The derivative of this is that we'll be using the power rule that will be dy over dx is equal to what? 2x, because I is minus 1 using the power rule. Okay, why is this? Why are you putting dx here first of all? Because the derivative is in term of x. That is why you have an x here. That is why we have an x here, because it's in term of x. Hope you know about this. If it was like plus y, you're going to put what? Plus dy all over dx, because this y it doesn't have an x, hence you are deriving in term of x. Hence, since this is y, you put dy and specify that it is in term of x. Okay, that's our cup of tea for today. Let's come back here. Okay, we have this question. What are you going to do here? You usually take what? U is equal to what? 6 plus 2x squared. It's a typical way so as to bring everything down and make it easy to differentiate by separating. It's as if separating then combining at the end. You see, because if you have to differentiate this without really mastering, you're going to fail. You have a typical method to differentiate directly, but I will show it at the end of this video. But now let's use the easy method so that everybody can understand easily without any problem. Hence, we differentiate this du. Okay, differentiate du. That is what it is in terms of x. Okay, it's in terms of x, and that will be du all over dx. Okay, du all over dx. Take this. We have du all over dx. That will be equals to what? If you differentiate a constant from our previous video, we said the differential of a constant is a 0. Plus, you differentiate this, what are you going to do? You bring down this 2, that is 2 times 2, you have 4x, 2 minus 1, that is 4x. That is du all over dx, that is equal to what? 4x. Hence, our y is equal to what? U, because this is u to the power 5. Therefore, dy all over what? In terms of u, du is equal to what? 5 u to the power 4. Hence, dy all over dx is equal to what? We will combine everything that is. We want to have dy over dx automatically. That is dy over dx times dy over du, so that you have dy over dx. Since this and this will cancel out, hence we take it. That is 4x times what? 5 u to the power 4. That is equal to what? 20x u to the power 4. Note that u is equal to what? U is equal to 6 plus that will be equals to 20 into what? We can say 20x. 20x into 6 plus 2x squared. All that to the power what? 4. That is actually our final answer. You can just leave at this point, because further expanding will take you a lot of time. That is not useful. What we want to know is the application of the chain rule, and you finally have this as your answer. Okay, that is dy over dx. Hence, let me show you another method that you could use to differentiate this. Okay, what's the method? The first thing you have to do is what? Since you have all to the power 5, you first use the chain rule, the power rule, by differentiating. When you differentiate, you have what? You are going to have dy over dx is equal to what? We differentiate to have 5. Okay, what is inside here? To the power 5 minus 1, that is what? 6 plus 2x squared to the power what? 5 minus 1, that is 4. Times what? The derivative of what is inside here. Okay, the derivative of this is equals to what? 2 times this, that will be 4x. We're going to be having what? 20x into 6 plus 2x. All that's 2x squared to the power 4. That is what you're going to be having. hope you are seeing a bit how we can differentiate typically. Example, if you have another derivative like let the raise, okay, let's just do an here. If you have an equation like the derivative of what we have y, and y, you have y is equals to what? 5 plus x, all that to the power 4. Then using the chain rule and taking a lot of time, you cannot differentiate to have what 4. Differentiate what is inside here to have 1. We then recopy it to have 5 plus 4. And so throw 1 here using the power rule, the power 3. If you use the chain rule, you are still going to have this as the same answer, this 4x plus 4, this x, okay. That is what you're going to be having. If you have like y is equals to sine x plus cos x, all that to the power 5. Once you use the same method, differentiate, you put first of all the 5. Differentiate what is inside here. Using things is a separation, differentiate separately. Sine x will give cos x plus this. Cos x will give a minus sine x, that is minus sine x. Then you recopy this sine x plus cos x all to the power 4. It's 5 minus 1. That's exactly how things are going to be happening. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching to the end. See you in another video that will show up here. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.